The USS Saint had fought the entire Japanese fleet at the Battle of Samar in 1944 and emerged almost unscathed. At 10:50 a.m., they heard the sound of airplane engines, but this attack was different. A Japanese Zero was headed straight for them. It was a tanker attack. At 10:51 a.m., the Zero crashed into the flight deck. Its bomb penetrated the wooden deck and exploded in the hangar where the planes were refueling. The ship was engulfed in flames. 30 minutes later, it sank completely. 130 men dead. It was found in 2019 in nearly 165 feet of water.